Here's a look at your top news headlines from Newsy. The first week of the George Zimmerman trial is wrapping up today. Grabbing a lot of attention yesterday, the testimony of Jennifer Lauer, known for her 911 call about hearing screams.
Did it seem that there were the screams of somebody who was getting beat up?
They were being heard somehow, yes.
The Orlando Sentinel reports the prosecution will call more witnesses today, possibly including the Sanford Police Department's lead investigator and Trayvon Martin's parents. A federal grand jury returned a 30-count indictment against the surviving suspect of the Boston Marathon bombings, Jahar Tsarnaev. The 19-year-old is charged with murder and use of a weapon of mass destruction.
He's charged now with killing 3 people at the Boston Marathon, maiming or seriously injuring several other people, and shooting and killing the MIT police officer, Sean Collier.
New details have emerged following the 75-page indictment, which could aid in understanding a motive. According to the indictment, Tsarnaev was inspired by al-Qaeda publications. The Senate passed the Gang of Eight's immigration reform bill Thursday with 68 in favor and 32 opposed. The bill, which was sponsored by the bipartisan group of 8 senators, would grant a path to legal citizenship for more than 11 million illegal immigrants living in the U.S. today. The bill gained broader bipartisan support after an amendment that increased border security was added. The amendment helped rally some Republican senators behind the bill. House Speaker John Boehner says the House will come up with its own version of the bill that reflects the opinions of the majority and of the American people. It was a first for the first pick of Thursday night's NBA draft. The Cleveland Cavaliers selected
Anthony Bennett of Toronto, Canada, and the University of Nevada, Las Vegas.
A surprise pick to begin with, but Bennett is the first Canadian to be drafted #1 in the NBA. And the guy many expected to go #1, Nerlens Noel. Well, Nerlens went to New Orleans with the 6th pick. For a moment, maybe. Within a half hour, he'd been traded to the Philadelphia 76ers. That might not have been the biggest trade of the night, though. In a rebuilding move the Boston Herald likened to a demolition, the Celtics sent stars Paul Pierce and Kevin Garnett to the Brooklyn Nets for first-round draft picks in 2014, 2016, and 2018. For Newsy, I'm Nathan Byrne, highlighting your top news headlines, making you smarter, faster.